ENVB gained 27.02% yesterday, the 5th of November 2025. Okay, so the stock has been trending since from time to time, since Monday, the 3rd of November. So it's all around. I can say it's, I can say largely because of its low float, which is around 450,000 shares. People are saying short interest. We haven't seen any very high short interest. We have seen, according to FinV's, a short interest of around 3.2%. Okay, but well, within all of that, a lot can still happen. And even yesterday, even in this post-market session, last pre-market session of Thursday the 6th, we haven't seen any huge amount of shares crossing the tape, unless this is, yeah, we haven't seen anything really. It was not, hasn't traded high volumes as such. Yeah, yesterday you can see that 350,000, 305,000, not so fantastic, but yeah, it has been trending. But in any case, it has other catalysts that can trigger a huge spike, given its low float, so the company is developing neuroplastogenic small molecule therapeutics, novel compounds aimed at neuropsychiatric, neurological disorders rather than traditional hallucinogens. The company recently announced the issuance of its 23rd US patent, okay, covering fused heterocyclic mescaline derivatives, which is part of its neuroplastogen patent estate. It's also hiring an IP firm to defend a key issued US patent that includes claims that appear relevant to the compound bret isilocin acquired by AbbVie Inc. Okay, for up to $1.2 billion. So announcements feed speculation that the company's IP could be monetized. Okay, and that this is its hidden catalyst behind the balls. Okay, so yeah, so this could be one. Yeah, okay, yeah. The catalyst maybe be behind the balls. It could be the monetization of its license. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, so it's been buzzing, and there's a lot of chatter going on. So yeah, let's see what we have for the stock. Okay, so the speculation is saying that lower prices may continue to print up till the 21st of November. Then after that, may go into a consolidation. Okay, so the key pivotal projection it has, the key pivotal projection that it has, it's $8.29. Has it tested that? It has actually tested that as of Monday the 3rd of November. It did test it, so yeah, it has that potential to do so. Um, yeah, if it does surpass, if it closes above it, then there's that probability, the probability of it retesting 10.84 increases. Let's see, that 10.84 statistically is not very high that it can do so, but this is a key. The reason why it's been emphasized is because it's a pivotal projection. If it does break through, then it may be able to print higher prices. As things stand right now, I think its 10-day moving average is trending. Positions opened 10 days ago are currently in profit. Let's have a look down here. No, 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 sorry. Yeah, they're not. Even though the stock is trading above its 10-day moving average, is still not trending. Yeah, none of the moving averages are trending. All of them are severely bearish. Okay, on its 4-hour chart, let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, okay. More of an accumulative contraction is expected, and then after that, well, broadly speaking, it's just a consolidation that is expected to keep playing out. And earlier on, it had as of yesterday, yeah, as of the close of Tuesday, it had this pivotal projection of 10.08. It didn't come close. Yeah, yeah, that seems to align with a projection we mentioned over there that has a very this 10.08 aligns with a a for daily chart projection I mentioned earlier. We'll have a look at it again. Where I mentioned that it has statistically a very small chance of retesting, but it's always within. It's also within very small probabilities that the stock also goes to print such prices, such levels. So here we can see, I think the 10 and 21 period moving averages are trending. The 10 period moving average trending. Positions open 40 hours ago are good. Yeah, so that's what's going on. The stock's been trending, yeah, of late. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. It could be, like I mentioned earlier on, could be the monetization of its patent that could be behind that could be the key driver behind the balls. It may or may not be the short interest or the low float. But yeah, the low float is a key catalyst. Is a key is important. It's important. It's not if you align it with you know but the prospects of a monetization of its IP, then you're looking at a rocket. So here we have 10.20. Yeah, that's the one. It aligns with that pivotal projection on the 4-hour chart. Yeah. So see what you make of ENVB, and just be really careful. Just be careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.